This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only. Copyright disclaimer under Section 107 of the Copyright Act 1976. Allowance is made for fair use for purposes such as criticism, comment, news reporting, scholarship, and research. Fair use is a use permitted by copyright statute that might otherwise be infringing. Non-profit, educational or personal use tips the balance in favor of fair use.
Hello, my brothers and sisters. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. I hope you all doing good and not too bored out of your mind. If not, then watch this video till end to know more about the networks types. Just picture the internet as a huge space, interconnected web. To navigate this digital world, we need a system of roads and bridges. These connections are called networks. From the small network in your home to the global network that connects the computers worldwide. Networking is the backbone of our digital lives. A computer network is mainly divided by four types. They are PAN, LAN, MAN, WAN. Let's see about the PAN, Personal Area Network. Mr. Thomas Zimmerman was the first research scientist to bring the idea of PAN network. PAN is a network arranged within an individual person, typically with a range of 10 meters. PAN is used for connecting the computer devices of personal use. There are two types of personal area network. They are wired personal area networks and wireless personal area network. Wired personal area networks, typically used for short range connections between devices within a close proximity, like USB, FireWire, Thunderbolt. Wireless personal area network is developed by simply using wireless technologies such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. It is a low range network which has the connectivity capacity within a room. We can call this as a shellfish network. Why? Because it connects only a single person devices which gives a connectivity range of up to 10 meters with devices like computers, mobiles, speakers, mouse, keyboard, printers, gaming consoles, and some more gadgets which is top on your table. Next, LAN, Local Area Network. LAN is a group of computers connected to each other in a small area such as building, office. LAN is used for connecting two or more personal computers through a communication medium such as twisted pair cables, coaxial cables, etc. It is less costly as it is built with the inexpensive hardware such as hubs, network adapters, and Ethernet cables. The data is transferred at extremely fast rate in local area network. There are two type of local area networks. They are wired LAN and wireless LAN. Wired LAN, a LAN that uses an Ethernet cable to connect devices to a network. Wireless LAN, a LAN that uses wireless communication to connect two or more devices. A common example for a wireless LAN is a Wi-Fi network in a home or office. Think of a LAN as a neighborhood block party. Everyone is connected, sharing resources, and having a good time. But if one house has a loud party that's keeping everyone else awake, it can slow down the entire neighborhood's fun. So, the analogy is saying that just a loud party can dispute a neighborhood. A device that is using a lot of bandwidth can slow down a LAN. Bandwidth means a measure of how much data a network can transfer in a given amount of time. Next, MAN, Metropolitan Area Network. A MAN is a network that covers a larger geographical area by interconnecting a different LAN to form a larger network. Government agencies use MAN to connect the cities and private industries. In MAN, various LANs are connected to each other through a telephone exchange line. The most widely used protocols in MAN are RS-232, Frame Relay, ATM, ISDN, OC3, ADSL, etc. MAN has a higher range than LAN. Imagine a man has a busy city street. Everyone is trying to get where they need to go, but there are traffic jam and the roadblocks that can slow things down. Similarly, a man can be congested with traffic, especially during the peak hours, which can affect network performance. Next, WAN, Wide Area Network. A WAN is a network that extends over a larger geographical area such as states or countries. A WAN is quite bigger network than a LAN. A WAN is not limited to a single location, but it is span over a large geographical area through a telephone line, fiber optical cable, or satellite links. A WAN is widely used in the field of business, governments, and educations. The internet is one of the biggest WAN in the world. Imagine a WAN as a long distance relationship. You are connected, but there can be delays, misunderstandings, and occasional disconnection. It's like trying to have a conversation with someone who is on satellite phone. That's all the main type of networks, which is important that every networking student should know. But wait before ending the video. Let's see some more type of networks that other commonly don't know, but we cybersecurity guys should know. Wait a while, I just wanted to ask you guys if you ever feel bored while watching our videos or if something needs to be improved, please let me know in the comment section so that I can change that for our betterment. Okay, fine. Let me tell you about some more types of networks. They are campus area network, storage area network, system area network, passive optical local area network, enterprises private network, internet work. Let's see about campus area network. CAN. Larger than LANs but smaller than metropolitan area network. MAN. These type of network are typically seen in the universities. They can spread across several buildings that can fairly close to each other so the users can share resources. Next, storage area network SAN as a dedicated high-speed network that connects shared poles of storage devices to the several servers. These type of network don't rely on a LAN or WAN. Instead, they move storage resources away from the network and places them to their own high-performance network. SANs can be accessed in the same fashion as the drive attached to a server. Type of storage area networks include coverage, virtual, and unified SANs. Next, System Area Network. System Area Network, also known as SAN, as like Storage Area Network. This term is fairly new within the past 2 decades. It is used to explain a relative local network that is designed to provide high-speed connection in server-to-server applications cluster environments. Storage area networks called SANs as well and processor-to-processor application. The computer connected on a SAN operates a single system at very high speeds. Next, passive optical local area network. POLAN. As an alternative to traditional switch-based Ethernet LAN, POLAN technology can be integrated into structured cabling to overcome concerns about supporting traditional Ethernet protocol and network applications such as PoE, Power over Ethernet, a point-to multi-point LAN architecture. POLANs uses optical splitters to split an optical signals from one strand of single-mode optical fiber into multiple signals to serve users and devices. Next, Enterprise Private Network (EPN). These type of networks are built and owned by a business that want to securely connect its various locations to share computers resources. Next, Internet work. Internet work is a term used to describe a network of interconnected networks. It's essentially a vast network of networks that allows devices from different networks to communicate with each others. An interconnection between public, private, commercial, industrial, or government computer network can be defined as internet working. The reference model used for internet working is Open System Interconnections (OSI). Types of internet work: extranet and intranet. An extranet is a private network that allow authorized external users to access and share information with the organization internet network. It's a control extension of a company's internet that is accessible of external parties such as suppliers, customers, or partners. Intranet. Intranet is a private network used within an organization to share information and resources among employees. It's a subnet of an internetwork. As I said you before, that's all the major type of networks and we are almost at the end of the video. So I hope you understand and enjoyed the video. If you have something to tell me, the comment section is open. Please type whatever you got to say related to the cybersecurity. And that's it for today's video. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye.